Hello, my sweet little friend. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Ease. Today we will learn phonic sound of G. Are you ready? Let's go. G, ga, G, ga, ga, gorilla, ga, gorilla, ga, goat, ga, goat, ga, goose, ga, goose, ga, grasshopper, ga, grasshopper. Let's learn some more words of sound G. Ga, goat, ga, goat. God bless you. Ga, goddess, ga, goddess, ga, gate, ga, gate. Please close the gate properly. Ga, guard, ga, guard, ga, goal, ga, goal. Very good. Ga, goal, ga, goal. Ga, greens, ga, greens, ga, gram, gram, ga, gram, ga, garden, beautiful garden, ga, gallery, ga, gallery. Please visit my art gallery. Ga, glasses. Oh, where are my glasses? I want to read a book. Ga, goggles. Ga, goggles. It's too hot outside. I should wear goggles. Ga, guava. Ga, guava. Guys, try to speak with me. Read aloud with me. Ga, garlic. Ga, garlic. Ga, glow. Bulb is glowing brightly. Ga, glad. Ga, glad. I'm glad to see you. Ga, game. Ga, game. I love to play game. Ga, gadget. Ga, gadget. Ga, garbage. Ga, garbage. Don't litter here and there. Ga, gray. Ga, gray. Very good. Now it's puzzle time. Try to guess what's in picture. What is this? What is this? You fill me with water when you are thirsty. Who am I? Glass. Glass. Ga, glass. Next, let us see. What is this? I am bright and shiny. I make stars in your drawing bright and sparkling. Who am I? Who am I? I am glitter. I am glitter. Glitter. Ah, what is this? I fix up broken and help you to paste colorful pictures. Tell me, who am I? Who am I? Yes, glue. I am glue. Next, can you guess? What is this? Something is for you, given by your loved ones. I make you happy. Who am I? Tell me, who am I? The gift. Yes, gift. The gift. Look, what is this? You play with me and frighten others. Tell me, what's my name? Tell me my name. Gun. Gun. Next, what is this? Ah, you color trees. I am the color of trees. Who am I? Green. Green. Next, let us see. What is this? Ah, tell me, what is this? I am in three colors. I am very sweet and juicy. Who am I? Now guess me. Who am I? Grapes. Grapes. Very good. Wonderful. Keep it up, boys. Let's learn sound blend of alphabet G. G. Ga. Now see what is this? A. A. Now tell me what is the sound of G? Ga. And what is the sound of A? A. Now join these two sounds. Ga. A. Ga. A. Ga. Ga. Gap. Gap. Oof. How can I cross this? Gap. Ga. A. Ga. A. Ga. Gas. Gas. Now see what is this? E. E. What is the sound of G? Ga. And what is the sound of E? E. Now join these two sounds. Ga, E. Ga, E. Now what is this? Ga, E. Ga. Gear. Gear. Ga, geyser. Geyser. Next, what is this? I. I. What is the sound of G? Ga. And what is the sound of I? E. Now join these two sounds. Ga, E, gi. Gi. Give. Give. Thank you for giving me a flower. La. L. What is the sound of L? La. La. Now, tell me what is the sound of G? Ga. And sound of L? La. Now, join these two sounds. Ga, la, gla, gla, gloves, gloves. Ga, la, gla, globe, globe. Round the world, globe. What is this? O, O. Very easy. What is the sound of O? You know? O. What is the sound of G? Ga. Now join these two sounds. Ga, O. Ga, O. Go, go. Gossip, gossip. Gossip time. Ga, gold. I am very shining. I am very shining. Ga, gold. What is this? R, R. What is the sound of G? Ga. And what is the sound of R? Ra. Now join these two sounds. Ga, ra. Ga, ra. Gra, gra. Great, great, great the carrot. Great the carrot. Ga, ra. Grill, grill, grill. What is this? U, U. What is the sound of G? Ga. And what is the sound of U? A. Now join these two sounds. Ga, a. Ga, a. Guitar, guitar. I love to play guitar. Ga, a. Guy, guys. How are you guys? Great job. You achieved your goal. Very good. Keep it up. Soon I will be back with my new video. But before leaving, you must subscribe, like and share my channel to get another video. So we will meet soon. Till then, goodbye and take care.